What's up, guys? Coach Travis Clay here with the Weekend Warrior Training Group. Today I wanted to share with you a quick kettlebell complex. I use this for my conditioning days in between my strength days, in addition to those days that I just want to get in here, get a good workout in, feel a nice burn some calories, get rid of that overindulgence from the night before, and get out. It's going to be about a 30-minute workout. There's going to be 7 different movements with the kettlebells. We're going to complete anywhere from 5 to 10 repetitions of each movement, and we're going to complete 5 rounds of those. In between the rounds, you're going to rest anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, okay? So we're going to bring that heart rate down, be able to work at max effort for the next round. So let me go ahead and show you some of these movements here. I have 35-pound kettlebells here. That's going to challenge me enough where I can complete the full round of the exercises in addition to keeping good form. So the first one here we're going to start with is down into a burpee push-up. So you're going to push up, coming back up. We're going to row on each side. We're going to swing up into a clean, down into a front squat, pressing overhead. All right? So it's going to look a little bit like this. So down, all right, guys, so that was the Kettlebell Complex for today. Again, there's 7 movements there. You're going to complete 5 to 10 repetitions of each, good form, and we're going to do 5 rounds. In between each round, we're going to rest anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and to progress that, you can increase the weight on the kettlebells that you're using, or you can reduce the amount of rest time. Guys, as always, if you find this video, this information to be valuable, you like it, please hit the subscribe button. Follow me each week for fitness tips, different exercises, workout routines and programs, nutrition tips, as well as motivation. Follow me at the links below. Again, this is Weekend Warrior Training Group, and own the day.